Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
This gorgeous home is nestled in the beautiful hills of Chancery Hall overlooking all of Kingston. This spacious, appointed 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom house on 11,000 square feet of land is beautifully detailed with crowned molding, massive rooms, a movie theater, well-appointed kitchen, and a remote garage for 3 vehicles. Fully bricked driveway and a covered parking space at the main entry for those rainy days. A pool, barbecue area, and entertainment space to the rear of this private yard for large gatherings. A fully appointed gym and office is suited for those with the option of working from home. Some other features includes ceramic tile, security system, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, jetted bathtub, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, TV cable, standby generator, jacuzzi rear pool, view of the ocean, view of the mountains, central location, easy access to amenities, family oriented, golf course nearby, hillside, private setting, view of the city, recreation nearby, quiet area, landscaped, seniors oriented, acreage, road paved, and pets are allowed in this community. The asking price for this house is US 585,000 or Jamaican $90 million. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.